What if your Brazilian wax didn't feel like something you survive, but something you look forward to? This year, the secret isn't a new technique, it's scent. Brazilian waxing has come a long way. What was once rushed and uncomfortable is now evolving into a full, mind-body self-care ritual. One of the most powerful, yet overlooked, upgrades: seasonal aromatherapy. Today, we're exploring how the right scent at the right time of year can elevate comfort, calm the nervous system, and transform your waxing experience, season by season. For many, waxing comes with anxiety. Anticipation, sensory overload, and muscle tension can increase discomfort. Scent helps interrupt that stress loop before it starts. When you inhale calming aromas, signals travel directly to your emotional center, the limbic system. This can encourage relaxation, reduce perceived discomfort, and create a sense of control and safety. In simple terms, a relaxed body responds better, even during waxing. By pairing waxing with aromatherapy, you're no longer just getting through it. You're intentionally creating a moment of care, and that shift alone changes the entire experience. January calls for comfort and calm. Best winter scents include lavender, frankincense, and chamomile. These scents help your body soften instead of brace. Winter air already stresses the skin, but these oils calm redness and support post-wax comfort. Here's a simple DIY winter blend. 1 tablespoon carrier oil, like jojoba or almond, followed by 1 drop of lavender and 1 drop of chamomile. Always patch test and keep dilution low. Spring is about renewal and lightness. Invigorating spring oils include bergamot, grapefruit, and peppermint. These scents help shake off that winter heaviness. Spring aromatherapy is less about calming and more about refreshing your mindset. This is perfect for morning appointments and first waxes after winter. Here's a pre-wax pep tip. Inhale a scented cotton pad for 10 seconds before your session. It's simple, grounding, and effective. Heat changes everything, especially your skin. Cooling summer oils include tea tree, eucalyptus, and spearmint. In summer, your skin needs calm, clean comfort, and support against irritation. These cooling scents create a refreshed feeling, perfect for beach season. Fall is all about slowing down and grounding yourself. Earthy autumn scents like sandalwood, cedarwood, and patchouli help you feel centered. As routines shift and days shorten, grounding scents can reduce stress and encourage deeper relaxation. Waxing doesn't have to feel clinical or rushed. By aligning scent, season, and intention, you create a holistic experience that respects both body and mind all year long. Your waxing routine can be more than maintenance. It can be mindful, comforting, and elevated. If this video helped you rethink self-care in a new way, like, subscribe, and join us for more modern wellness upgrades. Because next level care isn't about doing more, it's about doing it better.